Understanding Swather Operation in farming. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of agriculture to understand a key term, Swather Operation. This term might sound complex, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what a swather is, its purpose, and how it operates. So, let's get started. A swather, also known as a windrower, is a piece of agricultural equipment. Farmers use it primarily for cutting hay or small grain crops. After cutting, the swather arranges the crops into neat rows, called windrows. These windrows are then left in the field to dry before being collected. This process is crucial as it prepares the crops for harvesting and storage. Understanding the parts of a swather is key to comprehending its operation. A typical swather consists of cutting mechanism. This part does the actual cutting of the crops. Reel. The reel gently guides the cut crops onto the draper or auger. Draper or auger. These components move the cut crops to the center or side of the machine, forming windrows. Conditioner. Optional. Some swathers have a conditioner that crushes the stems of the crops, speeding up the drying process. Operating a swather involves several steps. 1. Setting up the machine. Adjust the height and speed of the cutting mechanism based on the crop type and field condition. 2. Cutting the crop. The swather cuts the crops close to the ground, ensuring minimal grain loss. 3. Forming windrows. The cut crops are neatly arranged in rows, making them easier to collect later. 4. Conditioning, if applicable. The crops pass through the conditioner, which helps in faster drying. Swather operation is vital for several reasons. Efficiency. It significantly speeds up the harvesting process. Crop quality. Proper swathing ensures that the crops are cut at the optimal time, preserving their quality. Field management. Swathing helps in managing the field and preparing it for the next steps in the agricultural cycle. Swather operation is a crucial step in the agricultural process, especially for hay and grain crops. Understanding how a swather works and its role in farming helps us appreciate the effort that goes into producing the food we consume. We hope this video has shed light on the significance of swather operation. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!